Oh, it needs half and half. Whoa. Oh, that's better. Good Saturday. We're drinking. Hey, here we have the Cory DNU. Here we have the Cory DNL for lower. L stands for lower. DNU, U stands for upper. And we have the DCU and we have the DCL. And we have the DCL lower, DCU upper. The bands on this one were coming off, even though the glass looks immaculate. The bands on this one are gorgeous. Sometimes they're coming off, but these are gorgeous. Cheers, it's Saturday. Oh, the band on this one is a little corroded and it was rusty on the inside. The handle, I think, is older than this one. And it's spotted with rust color and I can't get it off with Mother's Mag, whereas I can polish this one with Mother's Mag. As a side note, you take a little Mother's Mag to this, it comes right off. So if you get a Cory and you're missing band parts and you just want to take the band off easily, grab some Mother's Mag, wipe it on gently, not on the lettering, but this will come right off. It just comes off. It is like, it comes off. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. From what I've read, people put water and water to form the seal. I use Homemade Ghee, okay? It washes off. There's such a thing as bulletproof coffee, where you put butter in your coffee or ghee in your coffee. I put ghee on the rim and then I wipe it off. It's fine. I got nothing else to say. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? Wait, did I just say I had nothing else to say? You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Oh, wait. Isn't that the greatest music? Scott Buckley. Visit his channel. I have a link in the description. Copyright-free music. That is the perfect music for Cory. That is the perfect music for Cory Vacuum Coffee Brewers.